What's up, guys? Happy New Year to you guys. This is my first video in 2021, and then I hope you guys are staying safe. This is a smartphone I want to unbox. This is Umidigi A9 PRO. I've had this phone for a very long time, but I've been so busy, so I don't have the time to make any video. But I just have to do this today because it's been there for a while. Anyway, this is a budget phone. If you ask me, this is a budget phone, and then it's falls within the price of $130. This one, like I said earlier, is a budget phone which I think everybody should be able to afford. I got the 6 gig RAM version and the 128 gig storage. This is the Android 10 smartphone. It got 4 cameras at the back and the 24 megapixel front facing camera. Okay guys, so I'm just going to jump into the unboxing of the phone very quickly. Let's see what is inside the box and let's see what we're getting for the money. So a very quick one, guys. Alright guys, so I've unboxed the phone and this is what we're getting in the phone straight out of the box. We got the phone with the case, the paperwork with SIM ejector, which I believe to be here, and the cable plus the plug. So I don't know why they sent me this plug. This is not UK, but it's alright. I can figure it out. And I'm sure this is a fast charge adapter, if I'm not making a mistake. I didn't read anything that says fast charge on the thing, but I'm pretty sure it's a fast charge. And this is a UFC Type C cable. So I'm just gonna pull this aside. What's here? Yeah, just the manual and the SIM ejector, like I guessed earlier. So I'm just gonna pull this aside, guys, and I'm gonna power up the phone and see what we gain as regard specification. Alright guys, I've powered up the phone. I installed a couple of apps just to test the phone, and I'm quite impressed so far with the experience. This phone, I'm quite impressed. Now there's a new update. I don't know if it's security patch or is Android 11, but because it's Android 10, so I don't know. I will find out. Let's see what update are we getting. I believe this is a security patch and bug fixes. I'm not going to update the phone now because I'm making a video. So after this I will update the phone. So the camera at the back, this R4 camera, and I pray, or let me say I hope, they've improved their camera. I'm not impressed with what they're advertising and what we're getting, though I can't really blame them because it falls within the price range. But when you come online to advertise a great quality camera and then you're giving people a mediocre or a rubbish one, is not really nice. So this first one here is a 5 megapixel camera. This is a macro camera for smaller objects, and the second one is the 16 ultra wide angle camera. And the 48 megapixel is the third one. That's the main Sony camera, with f1.2 aperture. And the last one here is a depth camera. It's a 5 megapixel too. It's a depth camera. You can see there's another sensor just under the flash. That one is the thermostat sensor, which is meant to check your body temperature. So I'm going to take object temperature. I'm going to compare if it's really worth it, if it's the same thing, if they're telling us the truth about this temperature. Because if it is, that means it's not a big deal. No, but it comes handy. I've never seen a phone that can take body temperature or any object temperature. So this is the first phone I'm seeing. I'm not saying there's none, but for me, I've never seen any phone that can do this. There might be other phone out there. I've never seen anyone except this. So for me, it's a plus for the phone, and considering the price of the phone, the price is very cheap. It's not cheap. Let me say it's affordable, because what it cheaps to me might be expensive to other people. So let me say it's affordable and it falls within the reasonable price range if I were to judge the price by the specification. So guys, I'm gonna quickly jump into the setting and let's see what the setting does feels like. If you have a phone, at least you want to know what the setting looks like. So it's asking me to finish the setup here. We got the internet as usual and the Bluetooth device connection. Let me just go here. The thing is new, nothing. And Bluetooth device connection, nothing new. Recent app and notification, and then we got the smart key. This is what I was saying. If you want to configure this key, this button right here, if you want to configure it to anything, you know, open thermometer, simple tap. I can use it to start recording flashlight, take a screenshot, open Zello. I don't know what Zello is. I think it's an app. I'm here to find out what that does. Okay, so if you double tap, open Zello, long press. Okay, so you have 3 options for one single key, which is very nice, you know, that's very good. So the smart assistant, we have the system navigation. The system navigation, you have 3 options there, which you can choose any one that suits you. You know, that's the first one. This one, I think I use it for my previous phone. I do like it. And this one too, these 2 buttons, I'm not a fan of 2 buttons, to be honest, so I'd rather stay with 3 navigation bar. So what else we have? We have 3 finger gestures. You can screen, you know, all these things come with all these phones anyway. The screen recording settings, if you want to make settings, you want to change some settings in the screen recording. And the navigation bar, you know, if you want to hide it, you can hide it here. If you don't want to hide it, so you can choose anyone that suits you. If you're left-handed, you're right-handed, things like that. So the display, knowing fully well that the display is 2K screen, I don't think I can change any resolution. Like if I want to downscale it to 1080p, I'm not sure if I can do that. You know, with Samsung devices, you can do that. You can even reduce so it doesn't kill your battery. So I think everything here, privacy. Let's see, show password manager. So, show password permission manager. So I think that's everything on the settings. If you want to know, or in case you want to find out what the setting of the phone does look like, so that's it. And it still has a face unlock. I call it picture unlock because I don't want to enroll now. I don't want anything face or fingerprint. I don't want that. So I think that's everything, guys. So that's everything for the setting. And in case you wonder what version of Android, so this is Android 10. It's running Android 10 version. So that's it, guys. So I'm gonna stop there for the settings. What I want to do next, I want to test the camera. All right, guys. Most Chinese phones do claim they have AI camera, but to be honest, they're telling lies. It's not AI. And this phone said AI camera at the back, just like the previous models, you know, and the previous devices they've been producing from last year. But we don't know. I've called them out that they're telling lie for those ones. I'm not sure if they're telling lie again this time around with this phone. So we're here to find out. Let's go into the camera, guys. All right. So the AI, I'm gonna turn the AI on and let's see. Okay, I don't expect the AI. Okay, wow, it says animal. Ah, interesting. Interesting. For the first time, this company, or let me say, for the first time, I have a phone for this company that's AI camera. I can't say this is the first phone that's AI because I've not been buying the previous phones. I stopped buying since I get bored of it. But for the first time, I've got a phone from them that's AI. Ah, this is cool. All right, it's just normal settings. I'm not doing anything, you know. I don't want to change any settings from that. Just normal one because I'm gonna still make a video for the camera review, as you know how I do my video, guys. So let's take a picture. To be honest, it doesn't look disappointing on the screen, but I don't know if the picture is finally taken. Oh, it's not bad, to be honest. Okay. Let's take another one. This angle. But one thing I don't like is I think each time you have to keep pressing AI. You know, do not remind me again. Maybe because I didn't press that. I think each time you have to keep pressing AI. I'm not sure. So, well, you'll be yet to find out. There's extras. I will go into those ones when I do the camera review. But for now, let's just okay, let's take another picture. I want to try the macro picture. Let's see. It's supposed to be macro, so you have to get closer. Are they dust? Yeah, scratches, and it's still picky. Well, I think they step up their game. To be honest, I can honestly tell you guys, they step up their game. But the only thing they need to fix is the color reproduction when you take a micro picture. You know, I did complain about. I see the Umidigi. Can't remember what phone, but they need to fix that one. And this is ultra wide. So let's take another picture of AI. You know, this is ultra wide, and then it is ultra wide angle for real because I like the way it shaped it. So, if I lock here, how come I cannot rotate? Auto rotate. Okay. Yes. I think so far so good. I'm not getting disappointed. That's a fact. I'm not getting disappointed. I wanna take AI. Let's see. It says animal, so I expect to say fruit or food or whatever they've configured in their AI system. So let's see. Wow, it says food. It says food. So it's meant to optimize the scene. So definitely this is an AI camera, and I'm so impressed with this phone that I can recommend it just now. That if you want to buy this phone, just buy. Just buy. I'm so much impressed. I can't believe it. The camera looks alright to me. Yeah, I know there's enough lighting, so and most camera will shine when there's light. So we're yet to see the what's it called, the camera review. So this is 1x. Let's go to 2x, zoom, and then it says up to 8x. So I think 8x. Though you have to be steady to take 8x, but it's still not bad. I mean, for the budget phone, you can't complain. You keep hearing me saying it's still not bad. Yeah, I can't complain because I've got the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra as my daily driver, and I'm not getting the same experience. But if I don't have the Note 20 Ultra, if I have this phone, based on the fact that I've used a high-end phone, I think I'll be happy. That's a fact. The last thing I want to do is I want to test the thermometer of the phone. I want to see if, that's my bone of contention. That's the reason why I got the phone. That was what really caught my attention. I've got another thermometer here which can test object and human being. And on the app, from the thermometer from the phone, you can either test object, human being, and there's another option, but I didn't really. Okay, guys, so this is a hot drink which I purposely made because I want to test this. So let's see if okay, I think it's gonna work. All right, on the phone it says 4E. On the thermometer it says 52. So let's try again. 43, 57. The bottom line is why. Let's see. Yeah, they measure in the same thing. It says here. This is a phone that's not meant to be a thermometer. Why? This is doing its own job. So if you think you've got temperature and you got this phone, it can still save life. It can still help. At least it's gonna tell you your temperature is high, even though it's not accurate. It's gonna tell you your temperature is a little bit high. If you ask me what's my impression, this is an unboxing and first impression. My first impression, if I'm going to scale it on 1 to 10, I'll scale it on 8. Why do I want to scale it on 8? Even though I've not tried everything this phone has got. Yeah, but I've tried like at least 70% of it, and I think I like it. And another thing I want to note is this phone is under $135 or $130. I'm not sure. I can't remember the price anymore. But with what I'm getting, I think I'm getting a bargain. That's it. So thank you guys for watching my video. I do appreciate your time. Please stay safe. Happy New Year once again, and then I'll see you when I make a new video. Bye and God bless.